So I have a flat. Let's change it. This is the RAV4, Toyota RAV4 SUV. The spare tire is in the trunk. Under the cover, right there. First to take the cover out. You have a screw in the middle. This is the lift, just take it out. These are your tools. Just slip the compartment and you'll find them there. Important part is to open the bolts before you pick up the car, before you lift the car. If you're not going to do it before, then the wheel is just going to turn around itself. Okay. You go ahead for the pressure, just step on it until it opens. There we go. It's loose. You have just to loosen the bolts. Don't take them off yet, just loosen them up so that it'll be easier for you when you lift the car, it'll be easier to take it out. You have the big side, you have the small side. This side is on the floor. This side is going to go under the car. You open it up a little bit, put it under the car, and you see the slot here? This slot goes, this part in the car goes into the slot. Notice that you put the tire with this side facing out, not this way, the other way, not this way. No, this way, this side facing out. Okay, this is the important part, diagonal. You put the bolts diagonal. Put one, then the other. Put the flat in the spot where the spare was. When you put the tire on, make sure the screws fit in perfectly into the slots. If you don't do that, the bolts will not screw on easily and you'll get a wiggly tire. Very unsafe. Make sure that you screw the bolts on easily. If they're not screwing easily, something's wrong with the way you put the tire on. Turn the mini lift screw to the opposite side than you did before. That way it will minimize back to its original size, so you could actually slide it from under the car and take it back to its place. Make sure to minimize it to the maximum that you can so that it will sit perfectly back in its spot. Don't forget to tighten the bolts. Very important, tighten those bolts. So I changed the tire. The spare is in the back, is in the trunk. I'll go take it to repair it now. The good thing with these SUVs is that their spare tire is actually a true size tire, full size tire. I can go wherever I want right now with this, but I'm gonna fix the spare just to be on the safe side. Thank you for watching. I'm Nattie the Handful Lady. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. You have a button right now at the bottom of the screen. Go ahead, click it and subscribe, and I wanna hear your comments. Bye.